Hello, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. God bless you so much for doing that. Let's have a look at this question. It says that the size of a rectangular floor are x meters and s plus 7 meters. The diagonal is s plus 8 meters. So our work is to find A, the value of x, and B, the area of the floor. So the question is telling us that we have a rectangular floor. So let me draw that diagram down. Let me draw it here. A rectangular floor. So this is a rectangular floor. And the question says that we have x meters and s plus 7. It means the length is s plus 7 meters. And the width is x meters. So, and it says that the diagonal, so the diagonal will be here. The diagonal will be here. And it said the diagonal is x plus 8 meters. So my work is to find the value of x, but I realize that I am forming a right angle triangle. So here is 90. So if this is x, this place must also be x meters. So now I will use Pythagoras theorem to solve this. So what it means is that the longest side square, which is s plus 8, all squared, plus s squared plus s plus 7 all square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. The longest side square must give you, this is equals to, the longest side square is equal to s squared plus s plus 7 squared. So let me rewrite it again. I have s plus 8 all square is equals to s squared plus s plus 7 all squared. So let me expand this bracket. So this will give me s plus 8 is equal to s squared plus s plus 7 s plus 7. So s times x will give me x squared plus s times 8 will give me 8x. 8 times s will give me plus 8x. 8 times 8 will give me plus 64. This is equals to s squared plus s times s will give me x squared. S times 7 will give me plus 7x. S times 7 times x will give me plus 7x. 7 times 7 will give me plus 49. So let me simplify. So this will be giving me s squared. 8s plus 8s will give me 16x plus 16x plus 64 is equal to this plus this will give me 2x squared. 7x plus 7x will give me plus 7x. So 7x plus 7x will give me 14x. 14x plus 49. This is 14. So let me regroup items. So I want to maintain here. So I'll be having 2x squared. This is s squared, so it becomes minus s squared. Then plus 14x. This is 16x, so it will become minus 16x. This is plus 49. This will becomes minus 64. So let me simplify. 2s squared minus s squared will give me x squared. Then 14x minus 16x will give me minus 2x. 49 minus 64 give me minus 15. And all is equal to 0. So I am now finding or forming a quadratic equation. So I will look for the factors of 15. If I add, I'll get negative 2. If I multiply, I'll get negative 15. Don't forget, this is just 1. So there's no need for me to say I'm multiplying the coefficients here with this one. So those numbers will be 5 and negative 3. Or, okay, negative 3, because I want to get negative 2 here. So it will be negative 5 and 3. So I'll be having s squared. So the factors are negative 5 and 3. S squared minus 3 plus 3x minus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. So now I need to factorize. So here s is common, so I will say x is common here. Then I am left with x here, so it becomes x plus 3. This place, negative 5 is common. So 5 is common to both sides. So what is left here is x. Then this is negative, negative will give me plus 3 is equal to 0. So I am now having the root to be x minus 5 s plus 3, and this is equal to 0. So it means that I will equate this to 0. So it means, it implies that x is equal to 5 and s is equal to negative 3. But the length cannot be negative, hence the value of x is 5 meters. So that is Roman number 1. Now let's come to Roman number 2. The Roman number 2 says that we should find the area of the floor. So let me redraw this diagram here and show you something. I want to redraw this diagram. Let me just redraw it and show you something. So I want to redraw the diagram. So the diagonals, don't forget the diagonal. The diagonal is here. And it says that when we come here, you realize that this is s plus 7, and then I had s to be 5. So it means this place will be 5 plus 7, and that will give me 12. It means this place is 12 centimeters. So this will give me 12 meters, not centimeters, 12 meters. Then, and the other side is just x, so this will give me 5 meters. And the diagonal will be 5 plus 8, that will give me 13 meters. And they say I should find the area, and this is a rectangular floor. So I know the area of a rectangle, Roman number 2. Let me do it under here. So this is B. Let me solve the B here. B. So area of a rectangle is equal to L, that's the length, which is L, times the width, which is W, which is, the length is what? 12 meters, times the width is 5 meters. So 12 times 5 will give me 60. And this is carrying 1. This is also carrying 1. So it becomes meter squared. So therefore, the area of the rectangular floor is 60 meter squared. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please remember to subscribe.